Welcome to the 37th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Instructions Level 2. In this lesson, we will talk about the techniques on gatherings and pleats. The first example here is to do gathering at the sleeve end. Using the center stitch as a guide, we gather the stitches from both sides. Make sure the left and right gathering action is staggered by one course. In tension mode, change the gathering section to another tension number for easier adjustment on the machine. Translate the panel. We can see the gathering action more clearly. First, we perform the needle transfer on the right, then on the left. First row decreases every 3 stitches into 2. On the next course, the 2 stitches further decrease into 1. We can see the knitted result here in this photo. The backside. Let's look at another example with box pleat on the sleeve end. The number of stitches and position of the decrease symbols should be calculated according to the instructions in knit specification. The sequence of a decrease is interchangeable. We can do either the left or right side first. When doing box pleats, we also need to stagger the actions into separate courses and assign a distinct tension number to them. Translate to machine code when finished all the setups. We can see the decrease on the left side first, then the right side. Let's look at the knitted effects in the photo. The backside. Let's move on to file 3 with gathering at the waist. There are 3 pleats on each side of the waistline. The number of stitches and position of the decrease symbols should be calculated according to the instructions in knit specification. We can see that in this file the decrease symbols are not staggered. By default, the system will automatically perform the decrease actions with the side closer to the beginning of the knitting row underneath first. We need to assign a distinct tension number to the decrease symbols. Translate the panel. We can see that the decrease is done on the right side first, with the carriage knitted to the left in the previous row. Then decrease on the left side. The decrease action alternates between sides. Let's look at the knitted effect photos. The backside. Move on to file 4. This also has pleats at the waistline, but gathering away from the center front this time. The number of stitches and position of the decrease symbols should be calculated according to the instructions in knit specification. Make sure the left and right gathering action is staggered by one course. In tension mode, change the gathering section to another tension number for easier adjustment on the machine. Upon translation, we can see that the left and right side decrease alternatively. Looking at the knitted panel photos, we can see the pleats are folding towards the edge of panel this time. This marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.